Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable Microsoft Family features. In order to do this, you first have to hover over to the search bar in your PC, and in the search bar you will have to search for a task manager. Once I've done that, you are going to see the task manager pop up in front of you where you can make it big. Now over here in the left hand section you are going to see a bunch of different options. So among these options you will have to click on services. Now in the services you are going to see a bunch of different services files, but among these files you will have to search for the file named wpcmonsvc. So as it's start from W, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the W list, and here you are going to see this file which says wpcmonsvc. Once done, you will have to right click on it, and here you are going to see this stop button. So simply need to click on stop in order to stop it. As you can see over here that I have already stopped it. That's the reason its status is showing me stopped. Now the second thing that you can use is you can simply right click on it and then click on open services. Now in the open services you need to search for parental control. So you will have to scroll down, and in the letter P you will have to search for parental control. After that you need to double click on parental control, and then this type of pop-up will open in front of you. Now over here you are going to see the option of startup type. By default it will be set on manual, but you will have to click on this drop arrow button and then you will have to select it as disabled. Then you will have to press the apply button and then press OK, and this way you will be able to easily disable your Microsoft Family features. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.